I am Shreya Mittal, a student of FIITJEE South Kolkata Centre. I joined the 2-year classroom program at FIITJEE in class 11 with the aim of cracking JEE Advanced 2015. I got inspired from my father and my grandfather, both being engineers, to take engineering as my career option. I was looking for the best institute in the country to pursue my dreams, and I came to know about FIITJEE through the newspaper advertisements, and looking at the outstanding results and faculty of FIITJEE, I decided to join FIITJEE South Centre in class 11. The classroom environment was highly competitive, and the high level of peer-to-peer competition motivated me to work harder and propelled me to give my best shot in these 2 years. The FIITJEE faculty members gave us an in-depth knowledge of the concepts and conducted regular doubt clearing sessions for clarifying our doubts. They enhanced my problem solving abilities and completely changed the way I approached the problems, and hence I could tackle different problems with ease. The FIITJEE study material was very organized and gave us all types of questions relating to a chapter. The quizzes conducted at the end of every chapter helped us to know how well we have understood the chapter, and the CPPs gave us all extra questions for practice at home. The phase tests covered many topics and helped us to know our understanding of the concepts. Through our test analysis sessions, we could understand our strong points and our weak areas, and thus could focus on our weak areas. Initially, I was not so confident about my success in IIT JEE, but gradually after joining FIITJEE, there was a great uplift in my confidence level. My performance in phase tests and other tests always encouraged me towards my goal. The AITS exams provided us with difficult level of problems, and through the solutions handed over to us, we could comprehend newer concepts and different solutions to a problem. They also provided us with our national rank and an actual exam like environment. During the final phase of my preparation, the RTPF packages helped me in revising the entire syllabus for IIT JEE. I would like to advise my juniors to work hard with sheer dedication with the help of a good mentor like FIITJEE in order to achieve success in IIT JEE. I would like to thank my mother for providing a distraction-free environment at home, and my father for encouraging me all throughout, and special thanks to FIITJEE South Kolkata Centre for playing a key role in my success in IIT JEE. Thank you, FIITJEE.